I'm a heart surgeon, and I have a warning that I wish I could give to every single person before they sit down for their next meal. Because after years in the operating room, after seeing more heart attacks than most doctors will treat in their entire career, I have seen the same thing in my patients time and time again. And it all traces back to one specific type of food that is actually in most people's kitchens right now. And it's probably not the food that you're thinking of. This food drives insulin resistance, triggers chronic inflammation, and is slowly destroying your heart. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what this food is, why it is so dangerous, and why it is so important that you remove it from your diet today. Let me take you into the operating room for a moment. When I open up a patient's chest, I can literally see what caused the heart attack. The dangerous soft plaque is soft, unstable, and highly inflammatory. The kind that suddenly ruptures and blocks the artery. There may be hard, calcified plaque that has gradually choked off that blood supply going through that artery. Most people still think red meat and saturated fat are the main culprits. That's what we've been told for 60 years. But the saturated fat hypothesis is outdated and incomplete. There has been a major shift in how many cardiologists now understand heart disease. I'm not talking about salt either. And I'm not talking about some rare ingredient most people have never heard of. What I'm talking about is something the average person eats multiple times a day, often without even realizing it, and it's considered totally normal. So what actually causes heart attacks on a biologic level? The risk factors I see creating the soft, unstable plaque are insulin resistance, chronic high blood sugar, inflammation, and visceral fat. These are the real markers of heart disease risk. And the single biggest driver of this entire process in the modern diet is highly processed carbohydrates. Now, I don't just mean candy and soda. I'm talking about white bread, bagels, breakfast cereals, crackers, pasta, chips, granola bars, flavored yogurt, fruit juice, instant oatmeal, and most whole grain packaged products. Even foods marketed as healthy, like low-fat granola, whole wheat bread, and rice cakes, are loaded with these refined carbs. These foods spike your blood sugar and your insulin repeatedly. They promote chronic inflammation. They drive visceral fat storage. And they create exactly the inflammatory environment that turns into that soft, unstable plaque I see causing heart attacks every week in the operating room. Large studies now confirm this link. Higher intake of ultra-processed carbohydrates is strongly associated with increased risk of cardiovascular disease, coronary heart disease, and stroke, independent of other factors. From my own experience, these are the foods I see doing the most damage to my patients' hearts day in and day out. So here's what I tell my patients. Remove these highly processed carbohydrates and replace them with real whole foods, vegetables, quality animal proteins, and healthy fats in their natural form. You now know more about what actually drives heart disease than most people will ever learn.